sila lang ang
nag-disperse.
mag-release. Hindi pwedeng iparelease sa iba kasi baka mamaya hindi nila kaya.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Can the head of office, let's say in this case, the DepEd Secretary or the Vice President, designate more than one SDOs? Ano po ba ang batas?
Pwede naman pong mag-delegate ng more than one SDOs as long as the SDOs are bonded po.
So in this case, pwede naman na hindi lang si Ma'am Acosta, hindi lang sa Ginoong Fajardo, pwedeng kumuha sana ng maraming SDOs para hindi maging nakakapagtaka yung pag-disperse ng 4,500 acknowledgement receipts. Tama po ba?
Tama po, as long as isasubmit po lahat ng requirements like yung proper designation po ng SDO, yung bonding.
So
po
it's
niya.
possible na para hanapan mo ng solusyon yung ganitong sistema, pwede ka mag-designate ng maraming SDO. Unless you only trust one person. Unless merong mga bagay na ayaw din ng iba yung risk. Unless it's also very difficult for that person to let somebody sign kung hindi niya kakilala. So, Mr. Chair, pasensya na po, medyo foreign po sa akin kasi ang confidential fund. Paano po ba ito? Let's say, these are all from taxpayers' money. Tama po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, galing po sa kaban ng Pilipinas, paano po ito na ilalabas?
Kung sa national government agencies po, nasa GAA po nila. Pag sa GOCCs po, dapat nasa operating budget, corporate operating budget po nila.
Okay.
And for
From that,
NGOs po,
ma'am, okay, nasa GAA siya, nasa budget siya, paano siya na ilalabas? Let's say tapos na yung budget. Let's say you are the let's say you are the head of office. Kapag ikaw po ang head of office, paano po mailalabas ang confidential funds?
Kung okay naman po yung documentation from DBM, kina-cash advance po siya ng SDO.
So, kina-cash advance siya.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And in this case, ang nag-cash advance ay yung SDO talaga.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Paano nyo pa yun ika-cash advance talagang cash?
I presume cash po siya,
Cash siya, oo.
since
Hindi po ba yun delikado kung iisang tao lang?
accountability po nung SDO yun.
No, what I mean is, kunyari magka-cash advance ka, ang pagkaintindi ko ng cash advance ay kukuha ka ng pera. We're
Yes,
talking
Mr.
of how much?
Millions.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Millions po usually pagka
Pwede po nating
confidential.
maibigay yung tamang amount? Kasi pag sinabi natin millions, pwedeng 5 million, pwedeng 1 million.
For example po sa case
in
po
this
dito,
case.
kay OVP, 125 million po. Or sa DepEd po, 37.5 million.
125 million. Ibig sabihin yung pag-cash advance, buo na 125? Or baka tingi-tingi? Sa nakita
Based
niyo
sa
pong dokumento.
documents po nila, Mr. Chair, buo siya since buo po yung check na sinubmit nila.
So, ibig sabihin, yung opisina, magbibigay ng pera sa isang tao na 125 million. At yung tao yon ay mamimigay din sa mga andun sa parang recipients, no? Ng kanilang mga... In this case, sino po ang tao na sinasabi natin? Yung nag-encash ng 125 million.
Yung SDO po, since siya po yung nandun.
Anong pangalan
nakalings-
po, Mr. Chair?
Sa case ng OVP po is Gina Acosta po.
So si Ma'am Gina Acosta pumunta sa bangko, dala-dala ang cheque, 125 million, na cash ang ipinalit.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, may I just be appraised? Pasensya na po. Kasi sa pagkaalam ko, pagka nasa bangko ka at nag-withdraw ka or nag-i-encash ka, hindi po ba limited po ang kanilang cash?
Maybe we can ask a representative from the Land Bank
Yeah.
to answer the query.
Just to clarify, Mr. Chair, I'm just looking at the possibility. I'm not pointing any accusation. Tagalabang may nilabas bang pera or baka mamaya wala namang nilabas na pera at naiwan yung pera doon? Kasi I'm hearing acknowledgement receipts. So maybe we can ask from, anong bangko po, sir, ma'am?
Land Bank po, Mr. Chair.
Do you have a representative from Land Bank? Could you please invite the representative of Land Bank to take a seat here. Dito po. Ma'am, could you please state your name and your position?
I am Nenita Camposano, the department head of the OTR branch. I was
Pardon me, Mr. Chair. Ano, pakiulit po, ma'am.
I'm Nenita Camposano, department head of the DOTR branch of Land Bank.
Yes.
I was
You have
former-
taken your oath already, right?
Yes.
Tama po. Please
So-
continue, Congresswoman.
Ma'am, magkano po ang usual na cash na nasa bangko po ninyo at any given time?
Different branches have
Hindi,
different.
in your, you can probably speak in behalf of your branch.
I mentioned before that the CIB level of the DepEd branch where I was formerly the department manager.
Ano po, CIW? Ano yung sinabi niyo po?
The cash in vault, sorry.
Okay.
The cash in vault level, the cash level of our vault, as I mentioned in the previous hearing, is 10 million.
So ang ibig po sabihin at any given time, ang ibig sabihin ng cash in vault, yung available na pera sa bangko ay 10 million.
No, Your Honor. That is the maximum, but we don't store cash at that much.
10 million is the maximum, but you don't
Maximum.
store for purposes of safety.
Security. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so magkano po usually, ma'am, average?
5 to 6.
5 to 6 million. So you can say that the highest will be 10, it can be 3, it can be 4, and the average is 5. Is this true na yung SDO ay nag-encash? Was it encash or nag-encash ng 125 million at one time?
I was with DepEd branch, ma'am. The OBP is with our Shaw Boulevard branch.
Okay. So can
Do we have a representative from Rojas Boulevard
Shaw Boulevard.
branch? Shaw Boulevard or Rojas?
May I be excused, Your Honor?
So while waiting for the other manager, so
Ito
sa
po.
inyo po, ma'am, at one time is 3 to 5 or 10 million. And for sa DepEd, magkano po ang ini-encash ng SDO?
This particular check, ma'am, 37.5 million.
So paano nyo po nagagawa yon? Kasi 5 to 10 million lang yung cash on vault nyo.
We require our clients to tell us the amount to be withdrawn 2 days or 1 day before. the
So 2
encashment.
days or 1 day before, pinapa-prepare yung, okay. And in this case, who made the call?
It was the cash division of the Department of Education.
Cash Division of the Department of Education. Specifically, sino po?
Usually it's Ma'am Sonia De Leon. who
Pardon me?
calls- It was Miss Sonia De Leon who calls us for the reservation.
So si Sonia, Ma'am Sonia, Mr. Chair, is not here. And is this a regular occurrence, ma'am? Ito ba ay